Today we're in the 2025 Subaru Forester and we're going to show you how to connect wireless Apple CarPlay to your device into the vehicle. So we can start by either going into the settings and then you'll see Bluetooth. Right here's the third option down. And now we're going to go to the infotainment screen and you can either go into the settings or there's a little phone icon down here in the corner. So if we click that, you can add a vehicle. So we'll go ahead and select add. And then now on our phone here, you'll see Forester pop up. So go ahead and select Forester. Now if the pin matches on the screen and on the phone, click pair, and then you can allow access to your contacts and favorites. And it will take just a second to say CarPlay here. Then once the pairing request goes through, we're going to click connect on our phone to connect to wireless Apple CarPlay. Then just one more time on the screen, click yes. And then you can set it as your favorite device if you'd like. So we'll go ahead and click yes again. Now it's going to connect to the system. So that will give us text messaging. You can use maps in there, any of your music settings, all of that will be built in and it will connect every time you get into the vehicle. And it makes it very easy for when you're out driving around to not be messing with your phone.